Hello everyone. What we have here today is a Brinks 40mm stainless steel lock. There are no other markings or model numbers on it, so couldn't tell you. There's our bitting. Interesting thing about this one, there is no spring tension on the core or the shackle. So it keeps it a little interesting. As far as counter rotation and all, you have to do it pretty much manually. Let's see. We will get, yeah, that should work. Alright. Gonna go bottom of the keyway. Got out 2 picks because I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Got the DeForest diamond and a standard hook, both from Peterson's. Gonna start with the the standard hook. Let me turn this a little bit for a better angle. Alright. Now you'll notice, like, sometimes I will have to manually pull it up because when it needs to counter rotate, it doesn't really do it on its own. You have to guide it. Very strange lock. It's about the only thing that makes this one stubborn. I had another one of these I was picking on. It's the exact same lock, same bitting and everything, you know, key to like. And while I was picking it, the pin actually shot out of the top of the lock here. I'll show you if I get it picked how that happened, if I can get the camera to focus that well on it. But it did so without bending the pick even, so it didn't take much to destroy the lock, which I thought was very strange. And there we go. We got it open, but we have to, here's that device. Yeah, you have to open it manually. It doesn't just spring open. Also, it won't close unless it's completely lined up, and it won't lock until you lock it back with the key. Very strange. Now I'm gonna try to, I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but right through here, there, and there are very, let's see, I'm trying to, I think you may be able to see one right there. They're little circles, and when they pop out. They look like little wafers, like wafers from a master keyed system. But they're just like press fitted in there. And if you put too much pressure on it, it will just shoot out. The whole pin stack will just shoot out the top of what seems like a solid lock. If you'll hold on 1 second, I will find the one that I did that to. Maybe. Bear with me 1 second, folks. No, I've got it. Yeah, here we go. Now there's some extra scratches on this one because I tried to actually knock out another hole just to see how easy it would come out. But you can see right beside where this pin stack came out, you can clearly see the next circle where the next pin stack is under. But yeah, I was sitting here picking it, and all of a sudden, because I had my hand like this, you know, tensioning it, when I applied, well, I don't know what the fuck that was about. Silly me. I had my hand like this, and when I pressed up on the lock, or up on the pin stack, it all just shot out into my hand here. So all of a sudden I'm holding an entire pin stack. And it really threw me for a loop for a second. I couldn't believe it just popped out like that. So that tells me you could take something, a thin screwdriver, just stick in there and wiggle it around real roughly and pop out every pin stack from this lock, rendering it pretty much useless for security, which, you know, you would think Brinks would take seriously. But anyway, that's the Brinks 40mm padlock picked. Once again, there's the bitting on that. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe it's 4-pin. I can actually count the, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4-pinner. Not much to it once you realize that you have to do your counter rotation manually. I did learn when the pin stack popped out, there are spools in it, really small ones, kind of like what you would find in an American padlock. Anyway, this video's gone on for 8 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to an end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends. We need more subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.